Hi. Okay, so hello. This is going to be a quick overview of the VIRTU app, VIRTU, which is available for Android and iPhone, iOS. Here is the main screen for photo and video recording, and these are the various UI options. These are the expressions. If you have blend shapes, you can have access to more expressions, but these are the basic ones. As you can see, I'm smiling and looking cute. And you can also move your avatar by pressing move and or rotate. This is the video option. I'm recording video, and these are the filters. These are the various little filters that are available on VIRTU. I'm sure there are possibly more coming, but these are very cute, as you can see. For hair and hand, different little props and things, which I'll show you a little bit more later. These are the gestures. These are recorded motions that you can do or have your avatar do while you're moving them or rotating them, filming video. This is another gesture. This is adorable, and you can change the expression. This is fun. You blink to close your eyes. Again, this is all related to blend shapes as well. And my favorite joy, this one is at joy with high blinking, and you can select music in here by going to music. This is a song playing. I believe. Which, as you can hear, the song will be playing with your video. Here you can import media of whatever kind to put behind your avatar or in front, if you want to. There's also the option for using the props, which at this time they're limited, but you can also make your own. Here's a cute VTuber one. As you can see, I'm still doing the gesture until I remove it. Here's the rotate button, and also the move button is just above that. And I'm going to just detach all of these to remove it. You can select background, but at this moment, this crashes my whole app. Sadly, I don't know why. At the moment, I also can't post due to some bug, but they are fixing it. This is the Discord. So yeah, go and check it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.